Welcome back, traders. This is Sandra with Trading Made Simple, and today we're going to talk about PDT 101. How does this pattern day trader title, how does it affect you? What can you do about it? And how can you prevent these types of restrictions? We don't want all these restrictions as a trader. Well, then you've come to the right place. All right. The pattern day trading rule basically is anyone who holds an account that has less than $25,000 in it. Now, when you go to a brokerage and you open your account, for whatever reasons, as soon as you open an account, it automatically creates a margin account. You and I both know we're not going to use our margin account, but they just put us in this margin account. And in a margin account means that you're able to do different types of trades like vertical spreads and debit spreads and butterflies and calendars. And I know that Trading Made Simple Discord, we love doing those trades. Those trades are high probability trades. But let's just say that you're a brand spanking new trader. You don't have any tools, you don't have any education, and you don't have any training. And you just want to jump in there and day trade. And then you find out, well, wait a minute. Why are they only allowing me 3 round trip trades within each 5-day period? Well, when you have a margin account, those are the restrictions if the balance is less than $25,000. So if you have less than $25,000 in a margin account, you can only make 3 round trip trades. What's a round trip? Open and close, open and close, open and close. That's it. Within 5 days. Anybody can do that within an hour, I say. However, you can't do it if you're in a margin account. So what do? Well, first of all, if you violate these terms, you're going to get a warning. And you may get another warning. And then they're going to suspend your account. So you don't want it to be suspended for 90 days because then you're going to just have to go to another brokerage and open another account. So let me tell you the hack, the secrets, the way to get around all of this. The first thing you need to do is just get a cash account. So let's say you're right now already in a margin account. Just call your brokerage and say, hey, I want you to change my account to a cash account. That's the first thing. Now, what's that mean? Well, that means you'll be able to do as many day trades as you want to. As many day trades as your account can afford, but it's cash settled. That's what a cash account is. And what does that actually mean? Well, it means that each and every night your cash is settled. Profit and losses are added and or subtracted, and then you start fresh the following day. But it also means that every time that you purchase an option, that money is set aside. So if you get into an Apple trade, you buy 3 contracts, and each contract is $100. So you've basically used $300 to get into those 3 option contracts. You now have $700 left in your account to trade. So that $300, whether you made money on those 3 contracts or you didn't, it's set aside. You can only now use what's left in your account for day trading until the next day. So now you have $700 to use, and you can continuously use that just like the example I've given you until that $1,000 as an example has been used up that day on your purchases, and then the next day you'll start fresh again with whatever the balance is the next day. Okay? So that is what that means, getting a cash account. All right, so what's the hack in order for us to be able to not only day trade as many times as we want to with the amount of cash that we have in our account, but we also want to do spreads. So in order to do spreads like butterflies and calendar spreads and credit spreads and debit spreads, high probability trades, you're going to want to also get a margin account. You're like, wait a minute. I only have $1,000. That's okay. What you're going to do is you're going to call your brokerage and say, look, I want a margin account and I want a cash account. So go ahead right now, put $500 in one, put $500 in the other. Please link them together so when I want to transfer, inter-account transfer, I can just, as an example, go to TDA, go into my account online. You can make the transfer within 1 minute and you'll have that money. So if I wanted to use that money today to do a butterfly and create that butterfly spread, then go in and transfer the money into day trades, because now I want to do 3 day trades or 6 day trades, however I want, I can do that. Oh, but wait a minute, I want to buy a calendar spread. Do I have enough money in there to do a calendar spread? Let me do a quick little inter-account transfer. Click, within 1 minute, go into your account. They'll be linked together, so it'll be a drop down. You'll have, and you can name your accounts, margin account, cash account. You just need to make sure that when you make your trades, you're in the correct account from your little drop down menu that you have on top of your platform. That is really about what you can do to get away from all these rules and regulations that have plagued you and stressed you out. We don't want that to happen. And if you want some tools, education, and training, as well as trade alerts, live trading, Discord, you want those alerts sent to you via SMS and text, you've come to the right place. We have lots of stuff to teach you and to show you. And we hope you come and try us out. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.